Hey guys, this is what is this? Okay, this is okay. I don't understand. This isn't working. Oh, there it is. Okay, I didn't know what button to press. This is Red TV. This is my first ever video. Never uploaded a video before. I'm just here to tell you my channel. It's me hanging out with the lads. You know, maybe reacting to some videos. Don't worry, I'm not gonna become a cringy YouTuber, but this is all pretty friggin' new to me, guys. Pretty friggin' new. Oh, I'm actually grinding this out. So I might try and bang out a video on the weekend. You never know though. But if not, Friday. Friday's the day. Not like the week after, not half term. I'll try and bang out a couple vids. But I'm just a low key YouTuber, guys. All I want is some subs and some likes. I'm actually kinda, oh my god, grinding this out, baby. Oh no. Oh frig, I said God. I'm gonna get demonetized. No. Dang. As you can see, I'm a god. Okay. Well, that wasn't very well timed, but guys, make sure you subscribe. Just hit the notification bell. You can like if you want, I don't really mind, but leave a positive comment. That's what I want. Okay, love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.